Welcome to Rolling Hills, Sunbury's premier new home destination. Hi, I'm Tony. How's your home search going? I get it, there's a lot out there to consider. Let me show you what makes Rolling Hills different. Build your dream home. Each is designed with you in mind to make your day-to-day life easier. A spacious, open kitchen is the heart of the home. Whether you're cooking, supervising homework, or prepping for the next day, you'll love the included luxury features. Granite countertops, luxury vinyl plank flooring, stainless steel appliances, and oversized kitchen island. With this much room to spread out, there's finally enough space for the whole family. You'll love hosting the next holiday dinner, birthday, or big game. Dreams do come true. Whether it's a home theater, game room, or home office, the included full basement can be whatever you want it to be. 3 to 7 bedrooms means you have plenty of space for everyone. An extra bedroom or two is ultra convenient for your kids or out-of-town guests. So the kids are finally in bed and the dishes are done. It's now time to relax in a space that's all your own, the expansive owner suite with a private bath. The curb appeal will impress you and your guests. The Craftsman exterior and hardy plate siding will provide the modern look that you're looking for. Your cars will have a place to call home too, with up to a 3-car garage available. Tucked away, but still close to everything, Rolling Hills offers beautiful wooded views, ponds, and a quiet surrounding. Located just a few minutes from Route 3, 3637, and I-71, your commute just got that much easier. Outlets and numerous shopping and dining destinations are just minutes down the road. Upfront pricing and included features means no more breaking the budget to build your dream home. Plus, the Ryan Homes building process makes it simple and hassle-free to build your new home. So are you ready to take the next step? Click the orange Join the List button to become a VIP member and be notified of exciting updates.